From innovative power tools to versatile hand tools, we have made a list of the must-have items that will elevate your craftsmanship to new heights. Whether you're building, repairing, or renovating, these tools are designed to make your work more efficient, precise, and enjoyable. So here are our recommendations for the coolest tools that every handyman should have. Searching for the perfect tool to tackle those hard-to-reach places, look no further than the WORX WX252L XTD Extended Reach Driver. This innovative and versatile tool is perfect for all your home improvement projects. With its extended shaft, the WX252L XTD allows you to access tight spots easily, making those previously unreachable areas accessible to work on. But that's not all. This tool's compact design and powerful motor ensure that you won't compromise on performance. Whether you're assembling furniture, fixing appliances, or installing shelves, this driver delivers the perfect balance of precision and power. What truly sets the WX252L XTD apart is its exceptional battery life. Crescent Lufkin Levels is a pro handyman's ultimate lifesaver with their enlarged vials, providing clear visibility, top-notch aluminum frames for durability and versatile use in various measuring and layout tasks. The rare earth magnetic base is a standout feature, effortlessly sticking the levels to any surface, streamlining your work. Available in different sizes, these reliable levels cater to all your leveling needs, ensuring precise measurements. With Crescent Lufkin Levels in your toolbox, you can bid farewell to squinting and worrying as achieving precise leveling becomes a breeze. You can now say goodbye to unsightly screws and nails and welcome a sleek, seamless finish like never before. The SV Hidden Decking System is here to change the way you look at your decking projects. This ingenious system allows you to effortlessly install decking boards without any visible fasteners, creating a clean and polished look for your deck. The hidden clips securely hold the boards in place, ensuring a sturdy, long-lasting deck that will impress for years to come. Also, installation is much easier with the SV Hidden Decking System, saving you valuable time and effort. Plus, the hidden fasteners ensure a safe and splinter-free surface, ideal for families and pets. If you're tired of uncomfortable knee pads that hinder your productivity, the tough-built gel-fit Fanatic thigh support stabilization knee pads are about to change your game entirely. These knee pads are a cut above the rest, featuring a gel-fit cushioning system that provides exceptional comfort and support. The gel and foam combination molds to your knees, ensuring a custom fit that relieves pressure and minimizes fatigue during long hours of work. The Fanatic Thigh Support Stabilization design takes knee protection to a whole new level. With added stability and support for your thighs, these knee pads stay firmly in place, preventing annoying slipping and readjustments. Crafted with durability in mind, these knee. Looking forward to keeping your cutting tools razor sharp? The Sharpo 112N 3-in 1 knife has got you covered. This versatile tool is a game-changer for anyone who wants precision sharpening for different blades. With separate sharpening slots for knives, axes, and scissors, this sharpener easily tackles any bluntness challenges. It's like having 3 tools in one, saving both space and money. The large handle is thoughtful, allowing for a comfortable grip even when wearing gloves. Safety is paramount, and the Sharpo 112N delivers an oversized handguard. Now check out the Sharpening Square, which is a practical and indispensable tool for anyone who values precision and accuracy in their sharpening tasks. This innovative tool is designed to ensure consistent and perfect angles during the sharpening process, resulting in razor-sharp edges every time. With its square shape and marked angle guides, the Sharpening Square simplifies the task of achieving the desired bevel angles for various cutting tools, such as knives, chisels, and plane blades. No more guesswork or uneven sharpening. Crafted from durable materials, The Sharpening Square is built to withstand frequent use and provide reliable results over time. Its compact size makes it portable and easy to carry in your toolbox or pocket, whether you're a seasoned professional or a DIY enthusiast. Workplaces such as factories and construction sites often get noisy, which might cause serious damage to ears. In this case, we would suggest checking out the AES EB1 Job Site earbuds with a built-in 28 decibel noise reduction rating. These earbuds confidently shield your ears from the noisy environment, ensuring a safe and focused work experience. Plus, the Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity lets you listen to music or take phone calls with uninterrupted clarity. Additionally, it offers an impressive towed playtime of 15 hours, keeping you entertained throughout the workday. And don't worry about the elements. These earbuds are waterproof, ready to withstand any weather conditions. Also, thanks to the passive noise isolation with expandable memory foam tips, you'll enjoy the immersive sound without missing any important alerts on the site. Next, we have the Robin 4000 E2 bending machine, which is a remarkable tool that caters to the needs of professionals in the metalworking industry. Powered by an 18-volt CAS battery, it offers the convenience of cordless operation, ensuring flexibility and ease of use without the hassle of cords. This machine can easily bend stainless steel, carbon steel, and multi-layer composite pipes up to 180 degrees, providing exceptional versatility for a wide range of applications with the tool. Free presetting feature, setting the bend angle becomes effortless, guaranteeing precise and consistent bends with each use. No more time-consuming adjustments or guesswork. On top of that, Robin 4000E is designed with an automatic switch-off function, intelligently stopping the bending process once the desired angle is achieved. This not only saves time, but also prevents accidental overbending. In short, the tube bending machine Robin 4000E. This machine comes equipped with 2 counter-rotating discs of up to 200 millimeters, ensuring efficient and precise results across various applications. Not to mention the powerful 1,000-watt motor. It delivers enormous torque for tackling even the toughest tasks. Besides, its low speed of rotation, ranging from 150 to 570 RPM, provides impressive grinding capabilities without compromising on control. Also, the uses of this toolkit seem endless. From grinding IFS edix boards to stripping wallpaper, paint, and glue, this machine proves to be a true workhorse. Additionally, its polishing capabilities add to its versatility, making it a valuable asset in many projects. This is a must-have toolkit for any professional handyman seeking efficiency, power, and versatility in their work. Introducing a premium Prime bar crowbar tool that's designed for roofing and flashing removal. The Prime Grip Clovering. Its patented head with 6 nail pullers, teardrop nail pullers, and Wonderbar make it the perfect tool for roofing and flashing removal. The claw end easily penetrates shingles and step flashing, while the extractor head removes nails with less effort and damage. Its teardrop nail puller is ideal for tight angles, and the Wonderbar can be used for a variety of tasks such as prying, lifting, and bending. But wait, there's more. It's made from durable military-grade, high-carbon forged spring steel that is 30% thicker than other pry bars. It also has a rust-proof finish to protect it from the elements. So if you're looking for a pry bar crowbar tool that's built to last, it could be a perfect choice for you. Tired of those tangled webs of uncertainty when measuring cable lengths? Try out the Pro Meter RM35, the digital cable length meter. A cool digital cable length meter that's a whiz at measuring cables, ropes, tubes, or anything with a diameter from 2 millimeters to 32 millimeters. It's splash-proof, dust-proof, and shock-resistant, making it perfect for use in harsh environments. It has a lithium-ion battery that lasts ages. Yeah, we're talking 100 hours of nonstop action without the backlight. On top of that, the battery uses a built-in USB-C charging slot, Besides, you can clip it onto the X-boards, Winders, XB300 and XB500 using the strap system. Its strap's length is adjustable from 750 millimeters to 1,200 millimeters. But if that's not your style, you can use the strap with regular unwinding systems. Cool tool, right? Now, imagine you're trying to hang up a picture frame or mount a shelf, and you're left wondering where those pesky studs are hiding. Well, that's where the Zirkcon exit point comes to rescue. It's a fast, accurate, and easy way to locate exit points through walls, floors, and ceilings. With its engineered LED directional indicators and improved user interface, just simply attach the target magnet to the spot where you want to drill, then scan with the handheld receiver on the other side of the wall. The receiver will emit directional LED indicators that point towards the magnet, then red light to indicate the precise drill location. So, no more accidental drilling into important things. Experience the ultimate compact convenience with a silly gun caulking gun. It's crafted from strong, lightweight ABS plastic, which makes it durable. This 4-inch caulking gun is designed to be more compact, convenient, and lightweight than traditional caulking guns. It's suitable for all tube sizes and fits easily into any toolbox. Plus, it has a unique patented design that makes it easy to use in tight spaces and challenging angles. Its patented no-drip technology guarantees a clean job every time, so no more messy leaks, and its 12-to-1 high-thrust ratio unleashes a robust adhesive flow for efficient caulk dispersion. So if you're looking for a compact caulking gun that's easy to use, then this should be on your list. Need to move heavy wood? No worries. Here's the pulling and carrying trunks tool of Yato. It's sharp and effectively digs into the wood, making it easy to move even the heaviest trunks. Its steel rod construction is durable and long-lasting, and the painted finish protects it from rust plus. It has 10 millimeters diameter with 256 millimeters length to cover your back while carrying trunks. It comes with a comfortable handle with a plastic cover that provides a secure grip even when wet. Whether you're clearing brush, moving firewood, or preparing for a landscaping project, it's the safe and easy way to move heavy wood. It's a suitable tool for forestry, gardening, and landscaping projects. Oh, looking for a powerful screwdriver? Then take a look at this Power Assist screwdriver from Fatcom. It's a cordless screwdriver that provides the speed of a power tool with the control of a manual screwdriver. It features a 4-volt motor that delivers up to 300 revolutions per minute and 0.9 Newton-meter of torque. This makes it 4 times faster than a manual screwdriver while still providing the control needed for delicate applications. Its 3.6 volts and 2,000 milliamp hour battery yields up to 1,200 screws per charge. And guess what? It has 5 cool built-in LEDs to support you in dark areas with an IP54 rating. It's robust and waterproof, and perfect to use in any environment. We understand the struggle while cutting thick cables, and that's why we come up with an effortless way to cut through thick cables like butter. Look no further than the Yato RC54 cable shears. With these heavy-duty shears with outer diameters up to 54 millimeters, you can cut aluminum and copper single and multi-strand cables with ease. You can also use it to cut steel cables with an outer diameter of up to 10 millimeters. Its long ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip even when cutting thick cables. No more accidental cuts, as it has a safety lock to prevent accidental opening. So leave your cutting task to this powerful and reliable cable shear that can handle cutting tasks effortlessly. If you're looking for a cable tie gun that can help you work faster and with greater precision, then you need a CPK Hybrid. Its fast-binding cable ties up to 20% faster than traditional cable tie guns. It offers 5 tension and 3 quality settings to tailor every bundle, even handling cables up to 20 millimeters. But that's not all. Its HT data management software puts you in control, diving into tension insights, real-time monitoring, and data-driven tweaking. And those batteries? With a fully charged battery, you can bind over 8,000. With its precision and efficiency, you'll get faster bindings every time. Okay, you might be looking for a tool that can make your heavy-duty banding job easier. Then meet ISO Stainless T42 banding tool. Your go-to for super tight security. It's tailor-made for bands ranging from 3/4 inch to 1 1/4 inch width and thicknesses up to 0.044 inches, delivering an incredible torque strength of 6,000 pounds. Its spin tension handle and gripper lever work in harmony to ensure those bands hold the materials with an unyielding grip plus. There's a covert built-in cutter for those neat finishes. That means it's perfect for a variety of applications, from securing electrical cables and hardware to bundling pipes and tubing. No more struggle to carry a gallon paint can, because here is the Marshalltown Can Carrier. This innovative tool makes it easy and comfortable to transport paint cans so you can focus on your work without getting bogged down. It features a soft grip handle that makes it easy to hold for long periods of time. On top of that, it has a built-in magnet that holds your paintbrush in place, so no more worry about the brush falling off or getting paint on your hands. And its ladder hook lets you hang the carrier on a ladder for easy access. With it, your every stroke of paint becomes a masterpiece, because here, innovation meets convenience. Alright, that was the list of the 10 coolest tools that every handyman should have.